Hey everyone, welcome back. If you play Klondike Adventures, you already know how fast energy and gems disappear when you're clearing land and building your settlement. Over the past few days, I kept seeing people online talking about a tool that supposedly adds unlimited gems and energy to your account using just your phone. No PC, no downloads, just a quick setup. Normally, I ignore things like that because most of the time they're either outdated or just don't work. But since so many players were mentioning it, I figured the best way to find out was to test it myself. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I tried, how the process works on mobile, and then we'll check my account together to see if anything actually changed. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. Once I landed on the site, I used the search bar to find the gems and energy generator for Klondike Adventures. After opening the tool page, the first thing it asked for was the device type. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option if you're on iOS. Next, I entered my player ID, quickly checked that everything was typed in correctly, and then tapped Continue to move to the next step. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. Alright, moment of truth. I reopened Klondike Adventures and immediately checked my gems and energy balance, and the extra resources were already there. No restart, no waiting around, nothing complicated. The balance updated instantly, which definitely caught me off guard. If you've ever tried something like this in Klondike Adventures, let me know how it went for you down in the comments. I'm curious if others got the same results. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more real mobile game tests and tricks. See you in the next one.